Hi everyone, I'm Deborah Ruther and here's your market wrap for Friday, January 15th. Stocks carried the day's losses into the weekend. All of the majors ended well into the red. JP Morgan dropped more than 2.25%. The banking giant, along with chipmaker Intel, reported fourth quarter earnings that jumped from last year, topping expectations. However, JP Morgan issued a cautious full-year outlook as Intel gave an optimistic one. Shares of Intel fell nearly 3.25% despite the news. In economic news, the Reuters University of Michigan's Consumer Confidence Index rose to 72.8, a slight gain from the previous month. In a separate report, manufacturing activity in New York rose to 15.92 in January, soaring from a reading of 4.5 in December. And consumer prices rose 0.1% last month. Analysts were expecting a rise of 0.2%. Let's see what all of this meant for the market. The Dow posted triple-digit losses, falling nearly 1%. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq dropped 1.25% and the S&P lost more than 1%. Now let's take a look at the Treasury and commodity markets. Treasuries moved higher for a second straight day, recovering some recent weakness. Crude oil fell again and finished at $78 a barrel. Gold dropped lower on Friday, continuing to see choppy movement. On the currency front, the dollar moved slightly higher in trading versus the euro. With markets closed on Monday, let's take a look at what's on tap for Tuesday. Citigroup headlines the companies reporting earnings before the opening bell. The State Street Investor Confidence Index is expected at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, and the Housing Market Index is coming at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. IBM reports fourth quarter results after the closing bell. There's your market wrap for Friday, January 15th. I'm Deborah Ruther. Have a great long weekend.